This is the LensGo 318c, and this is the new LensGo 318c2. The question is, what is the difference? Besides the obvious, let's dive into that after the intro. Mabuhay tasters, welcome to Taste Visuals. If you are new to this channel and you're kinda interested in filmmaking, tech gear reviews, and digital art, this is the channel for you, and please be sure to subscribe and tap that bell there so you get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And to all of my current subscribers, thank you so much for your support, and as always, you guys are awesome. And please don't forget to follow me on my other social media accounts for more videos, updates, and tips. But before anything else, I would like to thank our friends from LensGo for sending me the 318c2 to review. Now let's get down to business.
Alright, so right now we are outside to test out the LensGo 318c, and as you can see, I'm as far away as I am. I'm not entirely sure if this is the furthest that I can get to with the 318c, but I am trying to figure out how far can I get. So as I get closer and closer, let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. So I'm just gonna count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So I guess you can zoom out the lens now because I've been using the 70mm from my Tamron. So we can try to zoom it out to 17mm. Just to give you an idea of how far I am when I was testing out this microphone. And as you can hear on the audio, there are a lot of vehicles on my left side because we are near the road. And this is the perfect spot to test out the built-in noise reduction of this microphone. So let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. Again, this is the raw audio that you're hearing right now. There's nothing else, no post-production process.
And now we are back at the studio. By the way, you can watch my unboxing video of the LensGo 318c in the link in the description below or in the link up there. Now let's discuss the perks and quirks of this microphone. Let's talk about the design and build quality. One of the improvements that the LensGo 318c2 from its predecessor is that it is now even more compact, and it also has two transmitters. Taking a closer look on both mics, they are totally identical. Here is the on and off switch, the LED indicator, and the microphone. There's a TX label at the bottom together with this magnetic hole and 3 pins for charging. So here are a quick comparison of the two. Of course, one of the LensGo trademarks is this tiny magnetic clips. The 318c2 has a slight improvement. See this rubber below the magnet? This creates friction that reduces the dangling of the mic whenever it is attached. It is basically an anti-slip feature which I find really helpful. Also, it still has that strong magnets just like the first version. And now let's check out the receiver. Alright, first let's state the obvious. This is much bigger than the version 1, but that is because it has 2 additional features, and I'll explain it to you in a few moments. On the side, there are 3 LED indicators. 2 on the sides are for connections, and the one at the bottom is the on and off LED indicator. Now for both sides, just like the TX, it is also identical. On the right side, here is the audio input, the magnet, and the charging pins, because now both TX will be charged once it is attached to the receiver, and that is one of its newest features. And for the second feature, now on the left side, now there is this headphone input, so you can now monitor your audio straight from the microphone. And for me, this is one of the must-have feature for a wireless microphone. And lastly, for the back part is a clip that is not a magnetic one, but it also has this anti-slip feature. Also, both transmitters and receivers are made of sturdy plastic and have a solid feel to them. Of course, you know me, I dropped the transmitter accidentally multiple times again during the test, and it proves how sturdy the LensGo microphones are. Yeah, excuses. Now let's move on to the most important part, the sound quality. Now, just like the other LensGo microphone products, the audio quality that this microphone has is decent. It has an omnidirectional polar pattern, which means it picks up sound from all directions. I've used this for interviews and vloggings, and it gave me decent results. The microphone also has a frequency response of 35 kHz to 20 kHz, and that is a good range to capture more vocal details. Overall, it delivers clear and decent sound and definitely good enough for professional use. Now let's talk about the wireless performance of the LensGo 318c2. It also uses 2.4 GHz digital transmission technology, which provides a stable and reliable wireless connectivity up to 330 feet or 100 meters without any obstacle in between. Now, based on the test that I did, it is most likely accurate, and way to go LensGo for always providing a good performing wireless microphone. Alright, now I've mostly talked about the perks of this microphone. This time, let's move on to the quirks. Now, after using this mic for quite some time, I found only 2 quirks so far. And just to be clear, this is just based on my own preference and usage. So here it is. Now, unlike the version 1, the version 2 doesn't have a mic input. So it is built into the TX and you don't have any options to use a lavalier mic with it. But since it has a small form factor, it can easily be hidden inside your clothing or anywhere you're going to use this. Another quirk that I found is that it has no included wind fur or windshield to protect your audio from windy environment. Personally, I haven't tested this out on a windy situation, but in theory, maybe putting it inside your clothes may reduce the wind sound, but it's not probably as good as a wind protection or wind fur in it. Overall, I would recommend the LensGo 318c2 wireless lavalier microphone system to any vlogger and content creators who needs a hands-free audio recording with decent sound quality and wireless convenience. It is very easy to use whether you're recording an interview, vlogs, or any type of content. You just have to plug this into your camera, turn it on, and you're good to go. Now, regarding the price, it is around $90 on Alibaba, and that's around 6,000 pesos here in the Philippines, and this might differ depending on the store you're going to buy it from, and I will leave the links on the description below on where you can get this. And that's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so you get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And again, Tasters, this is Taste of Visuals. Together, let's explore, learn, create, and share. See you on my next video. Taste Visuals out.
I'm gonna count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Okay, so can you still hear me? All right, so this is actually surprising because I'm a bit far away from the transmitter and I can go further from here, but honestly, I'm not going to be using this microphone that far. So let me know in the comment section below how this sounds. And yeah, just I'm really impressed about how the transmission is going on with this LensGo 318c2. And again, LensGo never failed to amaze me in terms of providing good quality wireless microphone. And yeah,